me, BevBee. Of course, this is my channel. Who else would it be? Today I have an exciting unboxing from Crafties. This is my first ever order from Crafties. I'm so excited. So let's get to opening it. But before we do, if you're new here and you like diamond painting videos, unboxings, accessory hauls, etc., go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. So first we have fragile, handle with care, don't fall, not pressure. I don't think that makes sense, does it? I don't know. Let's cut this baby open. And through the magic of editing, it is open. I ordered 2 canvases from them. Let's pull them out. Oh, they're really tight in there. So tight. It's hard to pull out. Okay, so I guess we'll have to cut it open. Here we go. They're packed very nicely though, and they come in little boxes. Which ones do we have here? They're still really packed in there. Okay. So we have, where does it have a picture? So after peeking off camera, I decided I'm going to open this one, and I'll open this one in another video. So we have this little box. It says Crafties or Diamond Art Kit. How is Crafties different? We actively promote independent artists and collaborate them by remunerating for them for their hard work and inspiring art. So yes, these are licensed images. Here's a look at the other side of the box. Here's a look at the contents, and just a little suitable for age 5 and above. Would 5-year-olds be good at diamond painting? Fun also for people at the age of 90. Ooh, I'm close to 90, so this will be fun for me apparently. Let's pull this baby out. I'm so excited. The drill field already looks clear. I'm excited. So again, this is my first order ever from Crafties, so it is going to be beautiful. Okay, wait, before we look at that, let's see what we have here. Toolkit, we have 2 big plates of wax. We have 2 pens, one with a, what is that, like a 6-5 placer, and then one with a 3 placer. And then there's 2 squishies for each pen, tweezers, and we have a little boat or tray, whatever you want to call it, boat tray. Here are the drills. They come nicely packed. We'll look at those afterwards. But right now, let's take a look at this painting. Oh, it's beautiful. I can't remember who the artist is. I'll put the information right here. So on the top right, we have the schematic. On the bottom left, we have the schematic as well. Let's take a look. So this measures 40 by 40. It's named Elk. I'm pretty sure it's called something else on the website. Here is the schematic. Why are these ones highlighted? We'll have to see. Maybe these are ABs or special drills or something. And it's 28 colors. So again, it measures 40 by 40. And I'm pretty sure 40 by 40 is the picture size. Don't quote me on that. I don't have a ruler next to me. So I'm just going to say that because it looks, from the naked eye, my eye is naked. It looks like that. So we'll take a closer look at the drill field while we're here. The drill field looks clear. Nothing hard to see. We have light symbols on a dark background, which is perfect. Ooh, look at his little face. So adorable. Hello, Mr. Deer. Hello, dear. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how the canvas looks. There's nothing that stands out to me that is bad or anything. Then we have the URL at the bottom for Crafties, and we also have their social media information. Wow, this is a really nice canvas. It feels thin and light and airy, but like pretty good quality. Wow, okay. So let's take a look at the drills. And we'll look at those ones that are highlighted to see what that's all about. the glue coming off. This glue feels like snot. Okay. Okay, we'll take them all out of the bag. You're welcome. I never do this. You're welcome. So 704 is highlighted. What are these in order of? 1, 2. So they're in order of just like the color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that type of thing. So we're going to skip and look at numbers. Oh! So number 6 is highlighted on the schematic. And look. They're special drills. They're like those little gem rhinestone ones. Cool. Okay, now let's look at 14. 14. More gemmy drills. Cool. That's so neat. I didn't know they came with these. And then 15. Pink. Oh, these are so pretty. Those are adorable. Where do these go? We'll have to look at the canvas. And now I have to struggle to put these back into the bag, but I won't let you watch me struggle because I know you'll get enjoyment out of my pain. So let's see. L is 704 is L. L is, ooh, L is all along like this horizon here. It's this light green color. And okay, 14 is A. Very Canadian, A. Just kidding. Haha, I'm funny. Okay, and then there's also above the L are the A's, so it's also in the horizon. Is it anywhere else? It doesn't seem to be anywhere else. And then we have B, which is that pinkish color. Oh, so pretty. It's all along his chest here. His chesticles. Look. Like this dark red color. That's where the B goes. Wow, that's so pretty. That'll turn out really nice. I'm excited. Maybe I'll do this one next. What do you guys think about this canvas? Have you ordered from Crafties before? I'm really enjoying it. Like, just from looking at it, I think it'll be fun to work on. And I really like how it comes with those special gems. So let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on an almost daily basis. That's crazy. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!